Alrighty, if you are a retailer based in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to get your products on Amazon because maybe you're affected by this virus, stay with me because in this video I'm going to walk you through just some of the things you need to be aware of prior to listing your products on Amazon. Stay with me, we'll be back in a second. Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you in the studio. So if you're a retailer that's currently affected by the coronavirus, so maybe you have to shut your doors, maybe you got a lot of stock on hand or inventory on hand, and you're looking to get that listed on Amazon, a couple of things you'll be aware of, right? In the USA, they've limited the products that they're willing to store at the Amazon warehouse. So, but there are ways around that, all right, if you're wanting to sell in the USA. But I'm assuming if you're based in Australia or New Zealand, you kind of want to maybe sell your products that you have already in stock on the Amazon platform, which is a really fantastic idea. Amazon is a really good platform to sell your products, right? Everything's heading online right now. More people are spending more time at home and more money on sites like Amazon. So a couple of things you'll be aware of. The best way to get your products on Amazon is by doing it via the FBM model, which is the fulfilled by merchant model. So you store your products in your premises or in a warehouse or a 3PL, third-party logistic warehouse, right? And you start the process of listing your products on Amazon, and yes, you will need some sort of barcode, right, or what we call UPC code. And as sales come in, either you fulfill them yourself via Australia Post or via a courier, or you get the third-party warehouse to do it for you, right? So there's quite a few options available to you, but there is hope, there is light at the end of the tunnel because Amazon is growing. They hired recently 100,000 new employees at the Amazon warehouses, right, because there's massive demand, which basically means even if you're not selling via the Amazon warehouse, there is massive demand for Amazon, so selling your products on Amazon. So you could be in pet products, you could be in homewares, house products, baby supplies, anything to do with personal products, all right? So the personal product range, it could be hair dryers, it could be nose hair trimmers, right? It could be anything, right? So Amazon it's a very good platform. It's surging. It's still relatively new here in Australia, but it's a great starting point. So now that you've got downtime, you should be looking at listing your product on Amazon. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. And by the way, if you're looking to get your products listed, give us a call in the office. The number is on the screen. I would love to have a chat with you. Myself or one of my team members would reach out to you and we can have a chat with you as well. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.